Okay friends, today we are going to learn distributive pronoun. What are the distributive pronouns? Basically, the words each, either, and neither are considered as distributive pronoun. Okay, first we will learn here what the distributive pronoun works in the sentences. These are the words, they segregate or indicate a person or thing out of two or more than two. Okay, so these are the words each, either, and neither indicate a person or the components or the things in a sentence. Okay, so we will learn here one by one how can we use these words in a sentence as a distributive pronoun. Friends, first we will discuss here what is the difference between distributive pronoun and in distributive adjective. What is the basic difference in both distributive pronoun and in distributive adjective? I am writing example here. Neither of the statements is true. Okay, this is the sentence. Basically here this is represented as distributive pronoun. Okay, distributive pronoun is always used with of, neither of, and here the noun should be plural and the is used between the distributive pronoun and the plural noun. Okay, so we can use here neither of the statements is true. These pronouns each, either, and neither is always singular, so we will use a singular verb to represent these distributive pronoun in statements. Okay, neither of the statement is true. It means that कोई भी statement है ना दोनों में से true नहीं है. Yes, if we are using here neither statement is true, it means that this is distributive adjective. What is the difference here? Here we are using neither as adjective and this is singular noun. So in case of distributive adjective we use this adjective before singular noun. Okay, so this is the difference between distributive pronoun and in distributive adjective. Okay, I am writing again an example. Each of the two boys is honest. Here is each of, this represent distributive pronoun. Here is used the and two boys. Okay, so here is noun is plural. Each of the two boys is honest. Okay, if we are using distributive adjective then we can write here each boy is honest. Okay, here is each is distributive adjective and boy is a noun. This is singular. Okay, so this is the basic difference between distributive adjective and distributive pronoun. So students, we must not be confused. in the use of distributive pronoun and in distributive adjective. Okay, so it is crystal clear for you as I explained here. Okay, now we will study, or I will explain these distributive pronoun one by one, and you will be able to learn them clearly. Yes, first I will write here each. Okay, we will use each. Each is a distributive pronoun. Its mean is in Hindi pratyek. Okay, if I am writing here an example, each of the 5 students is honest. Each of the 5 students is honest. Okay, it means that 5 में से प्रत्येक स्टूडेंट क्या है, honest है. Okay, if we are using each as a distributive pronoun, it is used for 2 or more than 2 component, more than 2 persons, more than 2 things. Okay, so here we used each of the 5 students is honest. It means that प्रत्येक students पांचों में से क्या है, honest है. Okay, we can also use this each of the 2 students, each of the 2 students is honest. It means that दोनों में से प्रत्येक स्टूडेंट क्या है, honest है, ईमानदार है. Okay guys, so we have understood here how can we use each. Each is used for 2 or more than 2 person or things. Okay, next one is either. Okay, we will use this distributive pronoun. Either का मतलब होता है 2 persons के लिए या 2 वस्तुओं के लिए. Okay, it means that we are using either for 2 components, for 2 persons, for 2 things. Okay, not more than 2. Just be careful. Either of these 2 girls is active. Either of these 2 girls is active means दोनों गर्ल्स में से एक जो है वो एक्टिव. Okay, here we are using either of is a distributive pronoun and this is plural noun. These 2 girls. Okay, so we are talking about a one girl out of 2, है ना. either का मतलब है 2 में से एक के लिए. If I am writing here, suppose either of these 3 girls is active. Okay, if I am writing here about 3 girls, so this is the wrong use of either. We cannot use either in the case of 3 girls. Okay, this is the wrong use. So we cannot use either for more than 2 person, 2 things or 2 components. So question arises here. The students asked, sir, if we cannot use either for more than 2, then which pronoun will be used here? So we will use here any or anyone for more than 2 person or 2 things. Okay, I am writing an example here. Any or anyone, है ना. Basically we will use either any or anyone. Okay, not both, but I am writing here or. It means that we can use any or at the place of any is anyone. Any or anyone of the 5 boys can do this sum. Okay, I have written an example here. Any or any one of the 5 boys can do this sum. It means that 5 में से कोई भी, okay, we are talking about more than 2. 5 में से कोई भी boy इस क्वेश्चन को या इस सम को कर सकता है. Okay, so we will use any or anyone for more than 2 or more than 2 components or things. Okay guys, so it is clear when we use either and when we use any or anyone. Okay, now we will discuss here neither. What is the mean of neither? Neither is a negative form of either. Okay, it means that दोनों में से कोई नहीं. Yes, so neither of these 2 pens is red. It means that दोनों में से कोई भी पेन red नहीं है. This neither is also used for 2 person, 2 things or 2 components. Okay, it means that we cannot use this neither for more than 2 person, 2 things. Okay, so guys, we have to understand here. I also want to add one thing here. If this 2 is not mentioned in a sentence, it means that if we are using either or neither in a sentence, it means that there are only 2 person, 2 things. It is understood. Okay, suppose neither of our hands is damaged. Okay, okay, so we have written here neither of our hands is damaged. How many hands we have? We have only 2 hands. Okay, so there is not mentioned 2. Okay, so it means that if in a sentence is not mentioned 2, then it is understood in the case of either and neither. There are only 2 person or 2 things. Neither of our hands is damaged. It means that हमारा कोई भी हाथ डैमेज नहीं हुआ है. We are talking about 2 hands. Okay, so in each and every sentence, if we are not using 2, then we will understand it. There are 2 persons or 2 things. Okay guys, so we have discussed here about 2 things. If their things are more than 2, then we will use none or it is called no one. Okay, so it will used for the things more than 2. None of the 5 girls is laborious. Okay, this shows that there are 5 girls, but none of 5 girls, मतलब पांचों में से कोई भी गर्ल laborious नहीं है according to this question. Okay, none of the 5 girls is laborious. So we are talking about more than 5 girls in this particular sentence. Okay, so it is clear. If we are talking about for more than 2 components in a negative sense, we will use none. Okay, none of the 5 girls is laborious. Okay, so we have discussed here about each, either, neither, any or anyone, and in the last I have told you none. Okay, if we are taking both, what is the mean of both? both is basically used for two. Okay, so I am using this pronoun both of the two boys, both of the two boys are careless. Okay, it means that दोनों के दोनों ही बॉयज क्या हैं, केयरलेस हैं, है ना, वो कोई काम अच्छे से नहीं करते हैं. ओके, बोथ ऑफ द टू बॉयज आर केयरलेस. इट मीन्स दैट वी आर यूजिंग बोथ फॉर टू पर्सन, टू थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट इज ऑल. ऑल मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग ऑल फॉर कॉमनली टू ईच एंड every person. हम सभी के लिए all का यूज करते हैं. ओके, so this pronoun will be used as all of the boys are careless. It means that सभी के सभी जो boys हैं वो क्या है, careless हैं. All of the boys are careless. Okay, all is used for the persons or things more than two. Okay, in a bulk quantity, in a bulk or the numbers are more, then we will use all. All of the boys are careless. Okay, and in the last, everyone. Okay, everyone also used for the things or the person more than two. Okay, we will write here every one of the five girls, every one of the five girls is beautiful. Okay, it means that we are talking about five girls and these are more than two. Okay, so every one of the five girls is beautiful. We are talking about more than two components or more than two persons here, then we will use every one. So this was the use of distributive pronoun. Now I want to summarize again here. Each is used for the components for two or more than two. Either is used for two components, neither is used for two components, and none is used for more than two components. Any or anyone is used for more than two components. Everyone is used for more than two components. All is used for more components. And okay, so this was the use of distributive pronoun. Okay, so guys, you have understood here from this particular lecture how can we use distributive pronoun in sentences. Okay, so in future you must not be make mistake. I hope so you have understood it. Okay, now I want to say you, if you liked this video, please share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy this distributive pronoun. Okay, yes, thank you so much.